If you sell personalized products online, this one feature is about to change everything. Customily just released a one-click import from Canva, which means you can now design something in Canva and turn it into a fully customized product in seconds. No more rebuilding designs, no more manually uploading, just one click. And I'm about to show you exactly how to use this to sell personalized product on Shopify, Etsy, or any platform you are using. Let's get into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vanity. I talk about real ways to make money online and make passive income using what you already have so you can create more freedom in your life. All right, so let me break this down for you. So first, let me explain to you what Customily is. Customily is a tool that lets you sell personalized products on platforms like Shopify or Etsy. Here's how it works. You will create a product template like a coffee mug, t-shirt, or poster. Then you will connect it to your store. When a customer buys it, they can personalize it with their own text, photos, or design choices. They will see a live preview of what their product will look like before they buy it. Once they place the order, the personalized design gets sent to your print-on-demand supplier automatically. This is huge for print-on-demand sellers because it means higher conversions. People love to see their custom design live. Fewer refunds. Customers knowing exactly what they are getting. And more sales. Personalized products sell way better than generic ones. But here's where the new feature come in. So Customily just added a one-click Canva import feature. Here's what this means. Before, if you had designed something in Canva, you had to export it as an image, then upload it to Customily, and then manually recreate layers and set up which part are customizable. It literally took forever. Now you design it in Canva, click one button, and it imports directly into Customily with all your layers and text fields already set up. It automatically converts your Canva design into a customizable product template. This is a game changer for anyone selling custom t-shirts, personalized mugs, printable wall art, custom phone cases, and personalized gifts. All right, let me walk you through how to actually use this. First, open Canva and design your product. For example, let's say that you're making a personalized coffee mug with someone's name on it. So you would create a background design, a text box for the customer name, or maybe some decorative elements. Keep it simple. The cleaner your design, the easier it is to customize. Inside your Customily account, there's now a Canva integration option. You will authorize Canva to connect with Customily. This is a one-time setup. Once connected, you can import your Canva design directly into Customily. All your layers, text fields, images, and everything. Then you just would tell Customily which part the customer can personalize. For example, the name field equal customized. The background could equal fixed. Once your template is ready, connect it to your Shopify or Etsy store. Customers will now see a live preview where they can type in their name, change colors, or upload photos. They see exactly what their product will look like before they buy. Now, what should you actually sell? Here are the top selling personalized products right now. Number one is custom mugs. This could be names, quotes, and photos. People love personalized mugs. Number two is t-shirts and hoodies. Custom text, names, and family designs. Number three, phone cases. This could be photos, initials, aesthetic designs. Number four, Wall art and posters. This can be family names, birthday, and motivational quotes. Number 5, tote bags. This could be a custom text, funny saying, and personalized gifts. Number 6, blankets. Family photos, names, and sentimental designs. The key is to offer products that people want to customize for themselves or as a gift. It can be for holidays, birthdays, and special occasions are when these products sell the most. So how do you actually start making money? Here's the strategy. Step 1, you would set up a Shopify or Etsy store. If you don't have one yet, create a free Shopify trial or open an Etsy shop. Step 2, connect a print-on-demand supplier. Use supplier like Printify, Printful, and Gelato. They will handle printing and shipping for you. Step 3, create 5 to 10 customizable products using Canva and Customily. Start with bestsellers like mugs, t-shirts, and phone cases. Step 4 is market your products. Post on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook groups. If you have a budget, you can promote it on Etsy ads. And you will show examples of the customization feature. People love seeing the live preview. Step 5 is once you see what's selling, create more variations and expand your product line. Some sellers are making $1,000 to $5,000 per month just selling personalized products. All right, so that's how you use Customily Canva integration to sell personalized products online. It's fast, it's simple, and it's one of the easiest ways to start making money with print on demand. If you want to see more ways how you can make money online, you will need to watch this video next. That video will break down 8 beginner-friendly methods that actually work. Click that video next and I'll meet you there.